Good day, everyone. Good day, Mom, Miss Bacolor, Miss Cristel Bacolor, and good day, everyone. My name is Rochelle Clavera Belen from BEd 2A, Group 3, and I'm going to report about the dance steps. So first is, what is cha-cha? So, cha-cha is a dance that combines the lower steps of the rumba and mambo with a triple step. So, sinasabi dito na ang cha-cha is the combination of the steps of rumba and mambo with a triple step. So, if familiar po kayo sa pagsayaw ng rumba and then yung mambo is pag pinag-combine mo po yun is nakaka-form po ng what do you that you call cha-cha. And it has increased in popularity over the time due to its simplicity and intensity. So, popular siya in every events or any events. So, sinasayaw itong cha-cha dahil sa kanyang simplicity and intensity na movement. So, these are the cha-cha dance steps. Number 1 is the open basic. And here are the number or the steps of the footwork. So, mag-base po tayo sa footwork po. And then, ipapakita ko po siya mamaya yung step by step niya through video. Number 2 is shoulder to shoulder. Well, may mga numbers like 2, 3, 4, and 1 half, 3, 4, and 1. Number 3 is underarm turn, turning to L. Number is 2, 3, 4, and 1. So, itong numbers na ito is ipapakita ko po sa inyo mamaya. And then this one, the fun, o tinatawag na fun, is the 2, 3, 4, and 1. Ito po siya.
Step 1 to learn Vader wrist. Now take your time and say the numbers as you go through the footwork that you've mastered. Start by holding. Did you catch that I said hold the one? That's kind of a big deal. You've got to actually wait on the count of 1 and then step on 2. So don't step on 1, hold the 1. Then you can step on 2.
Later po is ayan po.
2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. So do it 100 times. Yeah, you're there. How hard is cha-cha timing?
And mag-uumpisa na mag-step yung
You're on
right
the left,
foot mo.
not cha-cha.
Yan,
If your
kailangan
ass
po
is moving,
mag-straight
it's cha-cha.
just like the
Not moving, not
rumba
cha-cha.
po and mambo.
Moving, cha-cha. Mastering your cha-cha is to stroke the floor and keep your toes in constant and considerate contact with the ground and surface area, protecting your partner from unnecessary damage.
Hindi po dapat ganyan daw po yung pagsasayaw ng cha-cha.
Simple solution? Dance on paper. So you're going to put those toes on no release mode. This accomplishes 2 things. 1, good technique with your feet, and 2, one hell of a clean floor. Step 1 to learning the cha-cha basic is
Ito naman po yung steps na pang-5, yung alemana na tinatawag. And then, yung halos same lang din po siya ng steps. So, paulit-ulit lang po. And then, yung New York to R, I will show you later to the video. Yan po, yung New York to L and turn to R. Ganito po siya.
Now take your time and say the numbers as you go through the footwork that you've mastered. Start by holding. Did you catch that I said hold the 1? That's kind of a big deal. You've got to actually wait on the count of 1 and then step on 2. So don't step on 1, hold the 1. Then you can step on 2.
Hip. Para po matawag siyang cha-cha.
2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. So do it 100 times. You're gonna end up. How hard?
Backward po yung paa mo. And then meron din pong pa-forward. Yan po. And then ito naman po yung spot turn to L. 2, 3, 4, and 1 lang po yung aapakan. And then hold hand to L. Yung hand to hand, yung spot turn to L, it means spot turn to left. Kailangan po is sa left ka po mag-umpisa na number na 2, 3, 4, and 1. And then, yung number 10 po is hand to left din po ulit. And yun po yung number na 2, 3, 4, and 1 po. And then yung 11 is hand to right. So, ipapakita ko din po sa inyo yan mamaya. And half close basic movement. Ganito po siya. 2, 3, 4, and 1.
Step 1 to learning the cha-cha basic is getting the footwork down. The first thing you're going to want to do is create a roadmap. Okay, it's usually called and considerate contact with the ground and surface area, protecting your partner from unnecessary damage. Can be used in other areas.
Ganyan po.
Better move those hips. up straight. Share this video with all your friends. Keep sharing, keep
Yung last po
sharing,
yan
keep
ng
sharing
pag-distinguish
till
na
it
sa akin na po
never
yung
ends.
gagawin niyo po yan.
Oh,
Para po yun
dance,
sa mga
dance, dance insanity with Titus and Liwen.
Yun lang po.
Step 1.
May pang 13 po yun yung underarm turning to arms. So same lang din po yun, yung maghahawak po sila ng kamay and then magsusway po ng hips. And then may paatras yung girl, then aabante yung boy, and then yung boy is aatras yung kanyang feet, mga feet niya po, and then yung girl naman yung mag-i-step forward po sa kanya. Same as, kailangan po is, nagsusway po yung kanilang body para po matawag po siya na cha